Salutations, queens and kings. Welcome back to QKJJ. And as you can see, I have a very special video for you today. This is a special video mainly because our last video that we uploaded for the PValley season finale actually ended up getting cut off, and the remainder of the video was lost. So as to make up for that, I decided to make a t-shirt because I felt so inspired by PValley, and I wanted to encourage other people, other PValley fans really, while we're waiting for PValley season 2 to pop off, why not do something creative? So this is the t-shirt that I designed, and before we get into the t-shirt review, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up, and make sure you share this video with other PValley fans so they can see this dope t-shirt that I made, and hopefully it's an inspiration to others to make a t-shirt as well. So let's get into it. So on the very front here, I have Swarovski crystals as well as some rhinestones mixed in there. This right here, you have some fringe bling, and I'll put the link down below, the Etsy store that I purchased this from. And I'll go ahead and reveal. We got Mercedes, her last dance. It looks weird right there because of the way it's laying on the mannequin. But once we reveal here, you see Mercedes waiting for her last dance. Once I saw what the picture looked like, I was like, why not make it 3D? So that's what I went ahead and did with the fringe bling. Here's rose gold. And at the bottom, I got the quote, "In life, always go full out." And right here, this is kind of like a little Easter egg for those Star Trek fans out there. All right, you know the 4 pins gives you captain status. That's all I'm saying. I gave myself captain status. Now let's turn to the side here. I got little slits along the side on each side. I thought that was a nice little accent. And let's go to the back. And this is what it says at the back. What happens at the pink stays at the pink. And down at the bottom, down in the valley where the girls get, hey. So yes, I was so inspired by PValley, I decided to make this t-shirt. And I had to do a t-shirt review for you all. You can see more videos and more details of this on our Instagram. Go to at qk.jj or at QueenJam, and you will see the details there. So like I said, I love this t-shirt. Cannot wait to wear it out. I'll be wearing this until PValley pops back off. And appreciate you all for watching. Please comment below. Let me know what you think of this t-shirt, and is it going to inspire you to make your own t-shirt or just make something else PValley inspired? You know, it doesn't have to be a t-shirt. It could be anything. So again, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you know when we post new videos. We post a new video every week. And give this video a thumbs up. Share it with other PValley fans. And I will see you next time. Comment down below, y'all. Y'all like this? What y'all think of this fringe, this rose gold fringe? I still have some more left over. So comment down below too and let me know what you think I should do with the rest of this rose gold fringe I got left over. All right.